Here we go. Let's get all of these guys in here. I'm away from the glass, so they're not so afeared. Want to see at least a half a dozen birds in there at once. I want to see a mourning dove, blue jay, grackle, cowbird, all at once. Come on, guys, don't make a liar out of me. Yeah, there's 3 or 4 blue jays in the hood. Come on, birds. Show everybody how well socialized I have you all. When there's a large amount of food in the tray, when they've been fed well all morning. It's noon now, and they've been eating for the last 2 hours, so they're not squabbling as much. And I get a nice social gathering of different species in there, cooperating with each other nicely. All right, I'll wait. I want to get at least 6 birds.